Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to use the Pixel VIP widget on the Google Pixel phone. Now this feature lets you quickly see calls, messages, and birthdays, and even like live locations from your most important contacts on your phone. And you can see it all in one place on your home screen. Now to use this feature, you need to tap and hold on your home screen, and then click on widgets, and then here search VIP. It should show up on top here. Click on contacts and then tap and hold and then drag it onto your home screen. And then here tap to download the VIPs. So make sure you have it installed. So update. And then go back. And then click on this icon. And then click add your VIP. And then click next. Now here you can add up to 8 contacts on your phone. So I'm gonna add my mom and then my brother. And then click next. Now here you just have to give permission for the VIP application so that it can fetch information from these applications. So it's only you who's going to see it. So click next, click allow, and then you can choose while using the application. Now you can see it's done. Now if I click on one of the contacts, I'll be able to quickly share or text or and get any information that I need and check in with your most important like VIP contacts and whatever you want. Now this is very useful because it just keeps your important contacts on your home screen. You can quickly access it whenever you want. That's it for the video. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.